I'm Sarah Hatch with Hatch Property Management and Sales. Today what we're going to talk about is changing out your toilet seat. So in this particular instance, the family has children and we're changing it out to one of these specialized potty training toilet seats. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. The first step in changing out your toilet seat is to taking off the old toilet seat. So the first thing you want to do is right here, you have these little caps. Lifting up on those caps just like that to expose where you're going to hold your screwdriver in, and underneath right here you're going to just with your hands, with the strength of your hands, you're going to unscrew the plastic washer that's underneath it. Now I'm holding the screwdriver on the top in order to keep the screw without moving around, because as you can see I can move it around from below. So we're just stabilizing it until you get the washer all the way off. So right here, washer all the way off. You're gonna do that for both of them. So I just finished taking off the washers, and what I'm going to do is remove the screws, okay? And now you remove, and at this point I'd wear gloves. Ta-da! Okay. With your gloves, now you can do the gross part. So when you remove the toilet seat, there's usually going to be some residue of grossness. And you'll see right here, grossness. So just go ahead and make sure that it's nice and clean, wiping it down. Okay. Cleaning the whole area, but I'm super OCD about this. So, no little dots. Okay, now you take your new toilet seat. So this is our new one. And you do the same thing where you pop up the top so that you can expose where the screws go, okay? Set those right on here and line them up with your holes. You put your screws down in. These ones have stabilizers right there. And then you take your screws underneath the toilet and you simply tighten the screws. Now you never ever want to use a screwdriver or a wrench to tighten these. You only want to tighten them with the strength of your own hand. Okay, any plumbing supplies that are PVC or plastic, you only want to tighten with your hand. So the last step in the process is you'll want to close your caps. So you'll make sure that these snap real good. And then you want to jiggle your toilet seat, make sure that it doesn't wiggle around too much. And then you have a fully functional toddler potty training seat and adult seat. If you have any questions about the content of this video, please call us at 703-966-2232. Thanks for watching.